Hello again, third grade, and welcome to the last lesson of topic 2. We're going to be working on problem solving. Now, for problem solving and modeling with math, we're going to be working on trying to figure out how we prove our answer. So what do we do to solve a question? How do we solve it? Let's get into our video for today.
Keisha bought 2 yards of felt to make some puppets. Tanya bought 6 yards of felt. Each yard of felt costs the same amount. How much did the girls spend on felt in all? Think. What math do I need to use to solve this problem? I need to show what I know and then choose the needed operations. Think. How can I model with math? I can use the math I know to solve the problem. I can find and answer any hidden questions. I can use diagrams and equations to represent and solve this problem. Why would you use a bar diagram or an equation to represent the math in this problem? Bar diagrams and equations show how the numbers in the problem are related. Here's my thinking. I will use bar diagrams and equations. This problem has a hidden question. How much felt did the girls buy in all? The equation 2 plus 6 equals what? And the bar diagram represent the number of yards of felt bought. 2 plus 6 equals 8. The girls bought 8 yards of felt. So, I need to find the cost of 8 yards at $2 per yard. I can use the equation 8 times $2 equals what, and the bar diagram to represent how much the girls spent. $8 times $2 equals $16. The girls spent $16.
Now you know how to model with math to solve a problem with hidden questions.
So over here, when we were solving this problem, our hidden question was how many yards did they buy altogether? So it told us one of them bought 2 yards and the other one bought 6 yards. So before we can figure out how much money they spent, we first need to find out the total number of yards, and then we can get to this multiplication problem. You cannot solve a question if you don't answer the hidden questions that are in it already. Let's go ahead and take a look at our notes for this lesson, and then we are going to jump in and answer our guided practice questions. So we're going to write down, how can I model with math? So what did I learn while I was listening to the video? Now, I know that the first thing I can do is I can use the math that I know to solve the problem. I can find and answer any of the hidden questions that are in there. And then I can use diagrams, which means pictures, and equations to show and solve my problem. For number 1, it says a pack of gum contains 5 pieces. Phil had 7 packs of gum before he lost 2 pieces. How many pieces of gum does Phil have now? So question number 1 says, what is the hidden question that you need to answer before you can solve? So I don't know how many pieces of gum he has altogether when he first started. The hidden question here is, how many pieces does he have in all? Now my next question is asking, solve the problem, complete the bar diagram, show the equations that you used. So I need to figure out how many pieces of gum he has. So I know if he has 7 packs of gum, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I know there's 5 in each pack, so I put a 5 in each one. I can multiply 7 times 5 to find my answer, or I can add 5 7 times. So I can do 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Skip counting, I know that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that gave me 35 pieces of gum. So I know that my total for my diagram is going to be 35 up here. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So you only had 2 guided practice questions for this lesson. Please make sure you're completing the rest of the independent practice on your own. If you have any questions, let me know. Please make sure you're reading your questions very carefully as you work through these, because there are going to be hidden questions in a lot of them, and you need to be able to solve those before you're able to solve the main question. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.